we live it our way. Hold these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you, every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view, and nothing else matters. Never cared for what they do, never cared for what they know, but I know so close, no matter how far. Couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Never cared for what they do, never cared for what they know, but I know
Well, hello everyone. I got a new project going on. About 6 months ago, you probably remember when I was painting my trailer over there. Well, I got a new one going on this time. It has to do with my boat. I'm raising the sides on this thing here with some fiberglass and make it a little bit drier. And building this little wall here, 3.5 inches tall. And it'll help block the water a little bit better. Whenever you have a wave come up, it's not going to splash up over the sides as bad. So, so far it's been a very, very dirty job, very itchy. But I guess you got to go through a little bit of pain to get the victory over stuff and make it like you want. And you can see here how thick this material is. And I got some of this fiberglass. That's fiberglass resin from, it's actually from the plant. It's even better than commercial grade resin. And hopefully I'm going to get this thing done pretty soon. I hope so. It's been a long, itchy project so far. I've been on it for probably maybe 4 days or so, working on it here and there, sporadically, but it's coming along. The bad part about it is all this dust and fiberglass everywhere. You can see on my motor, all the fiberglass is everywhere and all over this whole shop. Sides. Oh, look at that. ¿Cuántos mat ponen?
3.
Oh, yeah. 3 mats.
3 mats. It's good.
Yeah. Porque nadie quiere el trabajo. Les jale muy sucio. Okay, this project for my boat's taking a little bit longer than I thought, but I am making progress. And as you can see, it is probably about 40 degrees out here right now, but inside here is a whole nother world. Here, got my shop heater going. My shop heater going right over here, making it warm. It's probably about 60 inside here. But I just got done doing the gel coat on the whole surface of my boat. I went ahead and decided to go ahead and just redo the whole floor and make it look like it's brand new. And also the gel coat webbing here. I'm a little proud of myself. I have to pat myself on the back a little bit. And all of this I did myself. I could not believe it. Went inside all my compartments too. And here, all in there. It's always better if you go ahead and strip the whole boat down, everything off of it. Got my sides painted here. I went ahead and put this little rough texture on here as well. There's an overflow drains over here. All the water can go out this back. If it gets too much for this, you still got that to help overflow. Along with this side. It's about 2:40 a.m. right now, and thought I'd get a little bit of work done. You can probably tell my eyes are pretty much bloodshot right now. I like working late like this, so I'm not bothered with any phones or anything, and I can still get a lot of these projects out of the way that I need to do. And this is a big one that I want to get out of the way. So come along with the 50 grit sandpaper. Then I'll come back with a 120, then a 220. Get this thing ready to spray. So hopefully that will be coming along very soon.
Joy of fiberglass. Yeah. Well, whenever you get done with it, you think to yourself, what a wonderful project that you've done. You did it yourself. Saved a lot of money. You get lots of compliments. Nothing wrong with that at all.
Okay, the moment I have been waiting for. After 4 days of sanding, from 50 to the 60 to the 80 to the 120, 220, and now the 400. My boat is now ready to paint. I cannot believe it. Seemed like it's been forever. Got everything taped up. I'm going around on the final time to make sure that everything is all up to snuff here, and everything's all taped up. But yeah, that's been a real long project so far, but it's come out okay. It's one of those things. Sanding is something it's the least thing you feel like doing, but believe me, it's worth it in the end. But paint all down through here, and pretty much ready to go.
Well, I can't believe it. It's painted. Oh, this is a beautiful sight. Good Lord.
Check this out. Look at that reflection right there. I cannot believe it come out as good as it did. I probably couldn't paint cars, but I tell you what, it sure come out pretty dang good. I know that. The sides here, there's still a little bit of ripples there from the fiberglass, but that's okay. I'm not worried about it. It's kind of like you can sit here and sand on it till the cows come home, but it's not perfect. It's just a boat. I'm happy with it, so that's all that really matters to me. This is it. Painted boat. And got one of my rope anchors installed here. The battery maintainer. Trolling motor installed again. And a couple lids. I've still got some more to do. Getting my seat cushions reupholstered. And yeah, that looks nasty. But I gotta do some wire arranging in there. Well, I'm fixing the finished product. I cannot believe it's finally over with. Spent a total of probably about 3 months on this thing, off and on here and there. Sanding, painting, taping, stripping, spending money, and spending money and spending money. Project's over with. It cost me to raise the sides on my boat here, and of course I went ahead and, as you saw, did the gel coat and painted and done all that. Reupholstered my seats, which that cost a lot more than I ever expected, but what does? I spent about $4,500 on this project. So it is amazing, truly, what stuff costs. I guess it's worth it in the end. Something you enjoy, whatever it is you like doing, you're going to spend money on it. Our hobbies are expensive, no matter what it is. But finally got it done, and show you around on the rest of it. All right, starting with the new jack I got. And what I did here is I took this old jack that I had and put this cushion on with a carpeted board here, so I can push up against the boat so it doesn't do all this bouncing going down the road. And my other strap so that it doesn't lift up in case I hit a bump. Trolling motor's on. Gel coat. And console. Got that touched up. New upholstery for the seats. Got the same color here as my color for this here, for my webbing. And everything's put back together. The best part now, it's ready to go fishing and have fun in and relax from all them countless hours of working on this thing. So now I get to reap my rewards. So that's about it. So next project I'm gonna do in the future, long time from now, I'm gonna have to get me a aluminum trailer. I've touched this thing up. You can see rust spots there in the fender. But I guess for about an 18-year-old, 19-year-old, wow, time flies, 19 years old, saltwater use trailer, I guess it's not too bad. So that'll be the next project, but that is definitely for another day. Now I just gotta worry about how to get this shop all organized again. That time will come.
And nothing else matters. Never cared for what they do. Never cared for what they know. But I know. So close, no matter how far. Couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Never cared for what they do. Never cared for what they know. But I know. Never opened myself this way. Life is ours, we live it